'Tis the season for ripe citrus, and in my case, a lot of oranges. So let's take a look at all the things we can make with them. The typical things that I do with the oranges are drying them, freezing them for smoothies, and juicing them for fresh orange juice. Dried oranges work great for potpourri on the stove. Add a little cinnamon to it, and it's better smelling than a candle. Use orange juice for baking and to put in salad dressings like we're going to make next. Start with 2 tablespoons of champagne vinegar and 1/4 of a cup of orange juice. Add 1 tablespoon of orange zest and 1 tablespoon of honey. Then add 2 teaspoons of mustard or dry mustard and whisk. While whisking, add 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. Then add salt and pepper to your taste. You'll use the salad dressing for the next recipe, which is an orange avocado salad. This is one of the easiest salads you'll make. Add a couple of handfuls of spinach to a bowl. Peel and chop bite-sized pieces of 1 to 2 oranges and add them to the spinach. Slice an avocado and add that on top of the oranges. Drizzle 2 tablespoons, or more depending on your taste, of the dressing we just made on top. Serve immediately. These gluten-free brownies are one of my family's favorite treats. Add the zest of an orange and you have yourself one of the best brownies ever. Start with melting 1 stick of butter in a pot on low heat, then add 1.5 cups of granulated sugar and stir together. Add the butter mixture to another bowl and let cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Scoop the 3/4 of cup of cocoa and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in the bowl and mix. Now that the bowl is somewhat cool, add 3 eggs. Mix until the batter is shiny. Next, add the zest of 1 large orange. Then add 3/4 a cup of gluten-free flour and mix well. You might have to stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder as well. Grease an 8 to 9 inch square pan. Add your batter and cook at 350 for 35 to 38 minutes. Insert a toothpick when done to see if it comes out mostly clean. Let cool for 15 minutes, then enjoy this very yummy brownie.